This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is stable and your iPhone has enough battery. Have your Apple ID and password ready because you'll be prompted immediately. If you use two-factor authentication, keep your trusted device nearby. Now tap the App Store icon. Don't pause to change settings yet. Once done, look at the top right for your profile circle. Tap that profile to start the sign-in process. This is the first actionable move that gets you into account controls. Next, you'll sign in and verify who you are. Tap the profile icon, then choose Sign In. Enter your Apple ID and password carefully. Typing mistakes are the most common delay. If your iPhone offers Face ID or Touch ID, use it to speed things up. For accounts with two-factor authentication, a code appears on a trusted device or via text. Enter that code now. Once accepted, the App Store loads your account page, where purchases, subscriptions, and payment methods become visible. To finish, review your account details, payment method, subscriptions, and purchase history, then tap Done. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Common fixes include resetting your Apple ID password or checking Apple system status for outages. If authentication still fails, sign out of the App Store, restart the iPhone, and sign back in to refresh tokens. As a last step, update iOS if available, because older versions sometimes block sign-ins. This single troubleshooting tip resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.